revolutionizing the wall anchor with, quote, the plate. The current toggle designs are 20 to 100 years old. They were designed that long ago. So we're going to show you a few examples, all of which include the plate, which is a key component of this revolutionized design. As you've probably guessed, you're observing both sides of the sheetrock at times throughout this video as we demonstrate. This is the back side. This is the front side. Here we're working on one of my favorite applications. This is a shelf. We ended up installing this shelf after the demonstration in a bathroom. We welcome your comments for such a radical idea. Here is our bathroom project completed. And just one note as we close, the plate actually solves for torque loss, large drill holes, and external flanges. So there's an incredible improvement on the current system of wall anchors. Thanks again.